the best way to make money as a business owner is to sell online. So if you're a business owner or you're about thinking of starting a business and you don't know how to figure out how you can sell your business online, have you been wondering how people are selling on Amazon and you are looking for a way to start selling on Amazon? In this video, I'm going to show you 6-step process how you can start selling on Amazon without necessarily having a shop or a physical space. Now I've come up with a 6-step process on how you can sell on Amazon from start to finish. The step number 1 is for you to understand the pros and the cons of selling on Amazon. Because if you don't understand the pros and the cons of selling on Amazon, you are not going to be making money. You're just going to be listing your product and nobody is going to buy it. Number 1 cons of selling on Amazon is that you need a startup money. Just like a normal business that you need money to start a business, selling on Amazon requires you having a startup money. Means that you need the money to import your physical product, because you are going to have the money to import the product which you are going to list on Amazon. It's really necessary to have a startup capital before you think of starting a business on Amazon. Number 2, need to follow Amazon rules and regulation. Understanding this will really help you a lot. And number 3, you need to understand the general issues when it comes to running a physical product business. Just like the normal physical product business, the same issue happen on this Amazon business. So, and also we need to understand that there's a lot of competition. Amazon is a popular website, which means that a lot of people might be selling the same product as you. If you must do well on Amazon, you must have a product that stands out. Another one is that understand that there's a seller fee. Amazon charges various fees for selling on its platform, including referral fee, fulfillment fees, storage fee. They are going to charge you a certain amount of money for them to store your products. You don't have any control of the branding image. You don't have your branding. Everything is done by Amazon. So let's now dive into the pros of selling on Amazon. You have massive customer base. You don't need much advertising as an Amazon seller. You don't need much of advertising because Amazon already have customer base. Number 2, fulfillment services, FBA. FBA means fulfilled by Amazon. Amazon offer fulfillment by Amazon, which is FBA, where sellers can store their products in Amazon's warehouse. Amazon handle the packing, shipping, and customer service, which can save sellers a lot of time and effort. Amazon is going to help you to store your product. Once you have your product, you're going to ship it to Amazon warehouse, and Amazon is going to store your product until you have a buyer for the product. So you don't need to store the product in your house, just like a normal shop where you have to rent a shop for it. You can just ship it to Amazon warehouse and your product is safe. And number 3, brand visibility. Selling on Amazon can increase brand visibility, especially if you are just starting or having a lesser known brand. Amazon have the traffic to get your product to their customers. That is step number 1, understanding the pros and the cons of selling on Amazon. Step number 2, which is finding a winning product. If you don't have a good product, a winning product that will attract your customers, you are not going to make money. So by finding a right product, you have to go to this website, helion10.com. Don't worry, I'm going to leave the link on the description of this video so that all the sites I mentioned, you will see them and it will be very easy for you. It says build your business on Amazon and claim your offer. If you use the link on the description, you are going to get 20% discount for using my link. So what you just need to do is to sign up. So if you click on get started, it will bring you to their dashboard. So all you just need to do is to log in. Once you click on the get started, it will bring you here. All you just need to do is to log in. You just need to sign up. All you just need to do is to put in your name, your email address, password, and you just accept the terms and conditions and you click on sign up. Now we are signed in. It says Welcome, KCT. He said, before you get started, we have a few questions that will help us customize your Helium 10 journey. So, how would you identify yourself? So, you just need to follow all the procedure and get started. We are here on the dashboard. This is where the magic happen. Okay, you can connect to your Amazon account directly from here. When you get to the dashboard, come to the tools. When you come to tools, come to black box. It says find a product to sell by evaluating products, keywords, competitors, and more. Answer this question to find a product. Where do you want to sell the product, and what category are you looking for? Now we want to search. Bam. Right here you can see all the products that are available on this place. You can search for any kind of product. Okay, you just need to take your time to search for any kind of product. If you have a specific product you are looking for, just take your time and go through it and see a winning product that people are buying. After making a product search, how do you now get a supplier for your product? And that leads us to step number 3, which is what? Alibaba.com. Alibaba.com is a place where you find all the products you are looking for. You can use Alibaba.com or you look for AliExpress.com. These are China company where you can get any product you are looking for. All you just need to do is to search for what? A product. What product are we looking for right now? Let's go back to our site. Let me say this Sony Zoom microphone. $86 on Amazon. Let's check how much they are selling on Alibaba. This is a professional shotgun microphone, sensitive microphone, reporter for videos. Now we have found the microphone we are looking for, the product we are looking for. The product here is $86, okay, on Amazon. The product here is $19, $19.8. Now, what do you need to check? You need to check a lot of things to make sure that these companies are verified. Number one thing you need to do is you need to check if the company is verified. Now, this company is a trusted company because it's already verified. Another thing you need to check is to check how many years that this company has been doing business with Alibaba. If you check here, you can see it's 10 years. Another thing you need to check is the review. See, they have a good customer service, okay? Now their customer supplier service is 4.9, on time delivery 4.9, product quality 4.9. So this company is a good company to buy from. You need to check the minimum order of this product. The minimum order of this product is from 1 to 5 pieces, okay, for $9.5, and from 6 to 9.99 pieces for $8.60. You need to check the minimum product order because you are a starter and you may not have a lot of money as a starter. This product is sold for $24 on Amazon. Here they are selling for $8. Have you seen the margin? So you can sell for $30, you can sell for $40, you can sell for any amount you want to sell, just to make sure you get the right thing. Step number 4, which is signing up for AmazonCentral.com. You have to start selling by signing up. If you have an account already, you just need to log in right now. So just click on the start selling button here. If you are creating new account as a beginner, Amazon will make sure you verify your contact, you verify your address, verify all your email address, you verify everything verifiable. So you must make sure to verify everything. Now I already have an account. All I just need to do is to log in. It says, hi KCT Global, please complete the below steps and start selling to millions of customers. Right now, you are going to start listing your products. Once you finish listing your product, everything, you finish setting up this, you can now launch your product. Is it not amazing, guys? Are you enjoying this video? Please click on that like button. And that now brings us to step number what? Step number 5. Start importing product. When you find your product on Alibaba.com, you now make contact with your supplier, you agree with them, all the details you have sent to them. this is the time for you to start importing your product. And your product will be shipped to your address without stress. Is that not amazing, guys? Step number 6 is start listing your products on Amazon. You have to fill in the right information for the particular product you are selling. The right details for the particular product you are selling will attract your customers to buy your product. And now your product is live. If you follow these steps I've just given you, that is how you are going to make a lot of money by listing your product and selling your product on Amazon. So you can now decide whether you are using the FBA program or the FBM program. FBA means fulfilled by Amazon, which means you are going to ship the product to Amazon warehouse, which you are going to pay a certain charges for them to keep your product in their warehouse. Or you are going to use FBM, which means fulfilled by merchant, which means you are going to keep your product in your house or in your warehouse. When your customer order your product, you will ship the product by yourself to the customer. So you have to choose the one that is convenient for you, and you are going to stay at home and make a lot of money. This is how people make money, sitting at home without stressing themselves and making money online. It is very easy to make money online. It's not that some of us are not doing the right thing. Because if you don't do the right thing, it will be very difficult for you to make money online. If you like this video, please hit on that subscribe button and click on the notification button so that anytime I post a video, you will get notified.